Pakistan's current number one is Amir Atlas. The Peshawar-born is a descendant of the Nawakili tribe and has big ambitions.
I'm trying to get into top 10 end of this year, but still I'm learning. But for this, for coming on top 4 or become world champion, I need some experience. So I will get some experience from playing some international tournaments. I will learn from them, and inshallah, hopefully, at the age of 22, 23, I will be able to get into top 4 and to become a world champion, to win a British Open Championship for my country.
This is enormous. Like, they get priority in playing in all our squash centers. Secondly, they have a full-time coach available. They can come and get the coaching whenever they want at Islamabad. We hold coaching camps before all major tournaments. The players are provided with total sports care. All the people who are in the first 5 ranking of Pakistan, they are paid a stipend. There is no player in the first rank today who is not having a job. They will have to specify that this is my target for that tournament depending on his ranking, and which they have to achieve. If they do not achieve that and fail to do that, then the federation is not going to sponsor them, because then they are not delivering. So they have to perform, they have to win. And if they win, the federation will continue to sponsor them.
On the other hand, Amir Atlas does not think that this is enough to produce a champion. He's not happy on the treatment meted out to him either.
I'm not satisfied from PSF attitude, because they don't have any planning for players, and nowadays they are not providing us a full full facilities, because I don't know what happened with them, because before they used to provide us everything when the President, Air Chief Marshal Tanir Mahmood was looking after squash. So now I don't know what happened with PSF. They don't provide us good facilities. Even they terminated our parents' contracts. So how come they say that I'm not motivated, I'm not doing well, I'm not doing hard work for squash? What they want me to become a world champion at the age of 15? This is impossible, because nowadays squash is a very tough game. Even you go to China, America, they are also playing squash now. Before there wasn't any squash in America, in China and some countries, but nowadays I think most of the countries playing squash. It's very tough now. So it's impossible for the player to become a world champion at the age of 18, 19, 20. And I received some weird letters from PSF secretary. I don't know why he's sending me these kind of letters. I have some letters I will show you later. He told me that you're giving me threat on phone and you are doing this and that. That's the letter I will show you. Can you give it to me? Look, can you read this letter, what he wrote?
This is say that unbecoming conduct of squash.
Yeah.
Tell us what exactly is this? What really happened?
I really don't know about this letter. You know, he said that I called him from Malaysia on 1st of July, and I told him, I gave him threat that you wrote a letter to Hanif Patan. If something happens with my dad's job, I will. He said that I told him, आपने कराची PIA में हनीफ पठान को लेटर लिखा है, अगर इस लेटर की वजह से मेरे बाप की नौकरी PIA से गई तो मैं आपको देख लूँगा. हम पठान हैं और उसके बाद जो कुछ भी होगा इसके ज़िम्मेदार आप खुद ही होंगे.